Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go.
Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally OnePlus have started rolling out a new update for OnePlus 8 series, which is again based on OxygenOS 13 aka Android 13, and this update also brings December security patch along with few more fixes. So let's quickly go through the new update, what all changes OnePlus have done. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 8, which is currently running on the latest build of OxygenOS 13. If you talk about the OS version, here you can see OxygenOS 13. Security patch is of 5th December 2022. And if you talk about the version is now 1.5. The update size is around 700 MB, but it doesn't bring any kind of new add-ons. I'll try to provide the download links in the description below. You can download the file and update your device manually. First, talking about the benchmark results. So as always, we do test out the benchmark and compare it with the previous build. So let's talk about the Geekbench application first. And here you can see our OnePlus 9 have scored 923 with single core and 2998 with multi-core. Comparing it to the previous one, there's with single core device that scored 901 and 2912 with multi-core. Not a major difference, but yes, slight improvements can be seen here. And on OnePlus 8, we have always been seeing throttling issues. On the initial build of OxygenOS 13, maximum CPU throttled up to 79%. And on this build, maximum CPU throttled 80%. And guys, before moving ahead, let's keep a like target of 500 likes on this video. We still have 82% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And one thing which I'm really happy that OnePlus did not make any kind of changes in the app drawer, unlike other OnePlus smartphone, for example OnePlus 9 series. We don't get to see the transparency, but on OnePlus 8 series, we still get to see the transparency, and I always prefer little bit of transparency in the app drive. So if you talk about the changelogs, so here changelogs are related to system, communication, connections, camera, few fixes they have done related to the applications. First one, they say they have improved the overall stability and extended the battery life. So battery life we cannot predict so soon. As always, I'll be coming up with the full review in which I'll be talking about the SOT which I'll be getting on my OnePlus 8. Then they say they have fixed the flickering issues while unlocking the device with fingerprint unlock. So here I personally never found any kind of flickering issues, but one thing which I don't like on OxygenOS 13, and this is on my OnePlus 8, like whenever I try to unlock the device, the AOD text brightens up a lot. This doesn't happen on my OnePlus 10. I have only seen this issue on my OnePlus 8 series. And it was the same case on the previous build also. Towards the left hand side you can see that video that was recorded on the previous build. Later they have done some fixes related to the Bluetooth services in which users must have reported disconnection of issues or no audio even if the Bluetooth is connected. But I never faced any kind of issues. I have tested, or you can say I've used my device with multiple Bluetooth earphones and I never faced any kind of issues. So if you guys have ever faced any kind of issues related to the Bluetooth services, do let me know in the comment section below. After that, they have also improved the stability of mobile network. Till now during my usage, I haven't found any noticeable change. After that, OnePlus also says they have fixed a display issue that affects photos in certain scenarios. That's related to a camera issue, and I did click some pictures. Here are the samples which you can take a look. I did not see any kind of improvements or any changes in the camera segment. The picture quality remains exactly same. And also most users have been reporting about issues that 4K at 60 FPS lags while recording. So I did record video with 4K at 60 FPS, and on my device video recording is super smooth, no jitters or lags were seen. After that, next fix is related to the game, which is Genshin Impact. Here some users might have reported that game used to crash sometime, but I did try out Genshin Impact on previous build before updating the device, and for me there were no crashing issues, though the performance on OxygenOS 13 isn't that great. So guys, these were some of the changes what OnePlus have done with the newer build of OxygenOS 13 for OnePlus 8 series. I'll come up with the in-depth review. If you have any particular question to be asked, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.